Hi everyone, it's Rachel here again, and I'm delighted to be making today the Herbalife chocolate eggs. These are delicious and an extra special treat to make and to enjoy over the Easter holidays. And they have some added protein and fibre too because of the Herbalife Formula 1 smooth chocolate and the Herbalife Better Heart. So for this recipe I need 2 servings of F1 Formula 1 smooth chocolate, so that's 52 grams. I need 2 servings of Better Heart, that's 14 grams. I need 20 grams of cocoa powder or raw cacao powder. And I need 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, this makes 6. And then to finish, a little bit of desiccated coconut, or you can use some chopped nuts as well. So the first thing I need to do for this is to take 6 egg cups. So I've already prepared 4 of them here, and I'm going to prepare the last 2. I've got 2 small little pieces of cling film, and what I need to do is just dip a brush into some olive oil, or whatever kind of oil, because you're not going to taste this. There. And just lightly oil the inside of, there we go, lightly oil the inside of the egg cups. And then, because the oil on the inside allows the cling film to stick to the inside here, which makes lining them much easier than if you don't oil them. There's 1. And the last one. So this recipe makes enough for 6. Of course, you could halve the recipe or, double it. And these are kept in the freezer. So you make up the mixture, store them in the freezer, and then when you want to eat these, take them out of the freezer and dust them with the coconut and serve. Okay, so there I've got the 6 egg cups lined, and I'm saving some cute little pretty ones for afterwards. I've also got actually some little bun cases, some mini bun cases, and some tissue paper that I'm going to just crumple up to put into the egg cups to keep my little chocolate egg sitting upright. Right, so the first thing I need to do now is mix together 52 grams of F1 smooth chocolate. So that's 2 servings that I've got here. And 14 grams, 2 servings of Better Heart. There. Okay, so into both of those add 20 grams of cocoa powder. There. Do sift it if it's lumpy. And then I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 1, 2, 3. And 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I always put the oil on the spoon first, so then the maple syrup can just drop off the spoon like that. 1 and 2. Okay. Oops. And then you bring all of this together. If you need to add another tiny drizzle of olive oil to bring it together, that's fine, but you shouldn't. Nope. If you've measured everything correctly, it should all come together into a nice, delicious tasting sweet mixture that you've got here. Okay, so now take 2 teaspoons and then just spoon the mixture into, hold on there, your lined egg cups. So these are eggs because it's Easter time and they're just going to be such a gorgeous little indulgent treat at Easter. But at other times of the year, of course, you could make different shapes. You could put them into ice cube trays even. So I'm just leveling that off on top, and then I'll go to the next one. There. Push them in. And you can store these in the freezer. You can store them in the fridge if you like, but they're just perfect when they come out of the freezer. You can eat them, they're still ever so slightly soft, but they hold their shape perfectly. That's so good. There. And this recipe makes 6. There. Okay. There. Okay, so I think I'll have enough for one more here. I will. If you've got large egg cups, it might just make 5. If they're slightly smaller, 6. Nope, that's a lovely little sized one. Okay, so you just flatten them down on top, like this, like that. And then I'm going to put these in the freezer. They need to stay in the freezer for at least 20 minutes or half an hour until they've actually solidified. And then I'm going to take them out and show you how to arrange them in the little egg cups to look really Eastery. Now, so here they are. They're ready after literally about 10 or 15 minutes in the freezer. They feel, yep, set. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm choosing the cutest, prettiest little egg cups. And what I've done with these already is, let me pull these out, is I've lined them with some scrunched up tissue paper or wrapping paper, something you have left over, even newspaper could go in because you're not really going to see it. And then I've got some little paper cases. I'm using pink and yellow because they're looking a little bit Eastery. So press that down and put the paper case in because this is what the chocolate's going to be next to. There, to get a little cake stand and get these ready. There. And last one here. So you take out your little chocolates. You line your egg cups with, now I'll swap that there. Okay, so I've got pink, yellow, pink, yellow, pink, yellow. You line them with the little paper cases or just white. And then we definitely need some little Easter chickens. I think I'll take that one there. There. And there. And then what you want to do here is you unwrap your chocolates and you empty them into, see, the little cases. There. So pull them out. Pull them out. There. And then you can reuse this if you want to make another batch, you know, another time. Reuse the cling film squares. There. So they're really simple and really cute. And you get this gorgeous little intense hit of chocolate from the F1 smooth chocolate and the cocoa powder. They mix together with, of course, the Better Heart. And the olive oil gives it a lovely softness. And the bit of maple syrup helps to sweeten it. There. Okay, so really good for the Easter holidays, a little chocolate egg. That's a very special treat, but with the F1 smooth chocolate and the Better Heart, they have that nice little bit of added protein and fibre too. Keeps everyone happy. Little bit of desiccated coconut, I think looks cute over the top. Of course, you could put over chopped nuts, chopped pistachios, but it makes it look a little bit kind of straw-like, like that. And there they are, my little Herbalife chocolate Easter eggs. I hope you enjoy them.